Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's Oracle DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to register the certification exam for REST to Certification 2025. So here is the link. So open this link. So I'm going to open this link to my any browser. Okay. So this is the REST to Certification 2025 and there is a four categories there: OCI, AI, Multicloud and data. So get certified for the free and this is going from July 1 to October 31st, 2025. So there is a four category: AI and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Multi-Cloud and data. I'm going through the data. So choose your certification, which one you want to go for. So just I am going for the Oracle Cloud Database Services. So just click on this services. So first log in with the email address. Click on next and put your password. Just click on sign in. So this is Oracle Cloud Database Service Professional. So here your learning path is there course. So Oracle Cloud Database Service Professional. Just if you open this, you'll get it like this. So go through the videos. There is a multiple videos are there. There is a five category number of modules. So all the modules you will get it. So go there and there is a test module is there. So skill check. So go through that. If you click on this, you will get a objective questions. Give the answer. Just click on next and submit this. So all five modules have the skill test. So you can go through that step by step. After that, when you'll complete this, next prepare for the certification. And there is a practice exam, approx 40 to 50 questions will be there. So complete this. All when you will complete, then just go for the register for the certification exam. So click on the register now. So here the review the topics. There is a five modules. All the modules for the percentage 20% will come from the all the modules. So just prepare for the exam and there is a modules details will be there and take the training. So in the training it will just go for the before link. So go with that and next is the register for the online exam. So click on the schedule your exam. So check with the your time zone. My time zone is Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. Just select the date. So just I'm going for the September, October. Last I'm going. I'm checking with that. So this Saturday 18. There is only AM is there. Okay. So I'll change the date. Check with the 27. So as per your convenient. Just check the date. This I'm checking with the 3 p.m. approx. Okay. Save and continue. Select this one. So select your available exam attempts. So I'm going for the free for this. So just click on that. Check your name. If your name is not correct, so you can go for the Oracle cert view and you can change the you can give the uh, name change request. Okay. So name change request you can get on the cert view and just put your phone number. Next, click on submit. Okay. Save, confirm. There is a term and condition. So go to the last, just check this and click on yes. And this is click on schedule your exam. So you will get an email regarding this. Reschedule is there and your exam is scheduled now. Are you ready for the exam? And how many days are remaining? 92 days are remaining. I will change this one when I want to give the exam in few days. So all the details will be there. So main thing is that exam policy. If you need to reschedule your exam, you must reschedule at least 24 hours before your appointment time. Next is cancellation. If you cancel your exam 24 hours before the appointment time, you will get a uh, your exam fee, means reverse the exam fee. Or if you less than cancel the list 24 hours before your appointment, you risk to forfeiting your exam attempts. So just go through that step by step. Too many things are there. And your exam schedule, you can go to the my exam wallet. If you go there, you can able to see how many exams you are going to attempt. So these are the exams I have scheduled. So Oracle Cloud Database Services just now with 27 October, and this one. So like this you can schedule your exam. So I already discussed about data certification exam before the October 31st or deadline. So this is the deadline. 31st is deadline. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.